Trust yourself when in doubt whether the path is right. Trust the person next to you.
We have someone we love until the end of the world.
Don't worry if you shed too many tears. With those tears, the seeds of success can grow well. The success I pictured in my mind was so clear. You too can definitely succeed with Atomy.
캄캄한 어둠 속에서 들려오는 소리 너는 또 실패할 거야 누군가 날 손가락질할까
지척이다 깨어 창백한 아침을 보내
난 허물어진 꿈을 추스려 살아낼 오늘을 위해 또다시 일어나 두려울 때는 용기를 가져 당당히 맞서서 벽을 넘어 난 믿어 날 믿어 이건 내 도전이야 This is me 차가운 세상을 향해 뜨겁게 소리쳐 발을 부르자 괜찮아 나를 봐 이건 내 성공이야 This is me 힘에 겨울 땐 술을 들러봐 널 사랑하는 사람들을 봐 내 열정 그 사랑 모두가 지성공해 This is me 차가운 세상을 향해 뜨겁게 소리쳐 발을 부르자 괜찮아 우릴 봐 우린 멈추지 않아 Atomy
First, Chairman Hang-gil Park, who founded Atomy and opened a new life for all of us. and advisor Dae Hyun Kim, who set up a Canadian corporation and personally held many seminars across Canada from east to west. Thank you very much. And sponsors who've led me here, and also all those overseas business operators who are scattered all around the world and struggle to make their dreams come true. Also in Canada, 85 partners, our business operators. And also in this place, many valuable people attended. And our partners from all over the world have attended, including New Zealand, South Africa, Hong Kong, Macau, Malaysia, the Philippines, and many other places. For me, with your sweat, hard work, and dedication, I stand in this glorious place. I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude beyond words. I had no financial difficulties. I was just a housewife for decades. Then my daughter went to Canada to study. My whole family moved together. One day when I visited Korea again, at that time, I was using good cosmetics. I couldn't sleep because of the very severe jet lag. My makeup became quite cakey. I had to go out after rubbing it with a sponge several times. I got 6 kinds of Atomy products by chance. A skin set and BB cream were included in the set. I only used it once. I was really surprised that the makeup came out so naturally. Atomy cosmetics that cost less than 1/10 of the price. How can they be so good? I was shocked. At that time, the Canadian corporation hadn't yet opened. I personally delivered Atomy products by plane. I started to share it with the people around me. Canadians loved Atomy products so much. My business started as the number of consumers increased. Later, as the Canadian corporation opened, Atomy started to spread globally. As a result, I also started flying about 20 times a year. I met and supported our partners all over the world. My business grew significantly. And now I'm on the road to success with no experience. A housewife like me today, I stand in front of you as a crown master. What made people like me successful was because the company had already done everything. Atomy is now exploding globally. Everyone here, dream of becoming a global leader. Atomy is now open in 25 countries. One can register in 62 countries, including Europe. Several cities in Germany and Spain that haven't yet opened. And in France, a one-day seminar has already been held. And in Belgium, where I've never been. Our British Diamond Masters have already come out. I also attended the UK one-day seminar this summer. After the seminar, I took an RV on a caravan trip. 5th alpine hike through Germany and Austria, Italy, Switzerland, and France. I traveled for a month. It was truly a happy time as I enjoyed the financial freedom and freedom of time that Atomy gave me. Previously, I traveled to the UK and hiked the Alps. I didn't feel it at all. But this time, I imagined that Atomy flags are flying all over Europe. your future partners from all over the world. They are waiting for you now. Atomy is not only Korea's hope. Now it has become the lamp of hope around the world, in any circumstance and under any condition. It's a business that restores lives and saves people. Atomy's company motto. I would like to tell you about Atomy's motto, which is an indicator of my life. Cherish the spirit. A company that cherishes each spirit. The company has made all the systems that we could succeed. 생각을 경영하라 is create the vision in English. Dreaming of our Canadian dream and American dream among the many. People who have left their homeland for that dream to fall apart. It didn't take long. But Atomy is telling us to renew the collapsed and lost vision. As I was doing business, I've been through a lot of difficult things, but I've never been disappointed. By standing firm in the faith and as not being discouraged, I think the difficult things passed easily. Everyone through the success in Atomy, in the belief that our dreams can come true. Please never be shaken. Finally, serve in humility. Yes, the motto that became the biggest indicator of my life. Through Atomy, I've been learning to serve in humility. For many people and needy people around the world, Atomy opens a new life. Also, by practicing God's love. Our chairman, Hang Gil Park, who serves those in need, joining this great Atomy. I'm really proud of myself. By meeting this wonderful Atomy, the second act of my life began. Everyone here too. I hope the second act of your lives will make you really happy with Atomy. I'll end my speech by wishing you have a wonderful and balanced life. Thank you.